Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be doing a collective haul of items found at the thrift store, online, and a few other places. So if you want to see any of these pieces, then just keep on watching. The first items that I want to show you are from Daniel Wellington. So with this bundle, it includes a classic Petite Melrose watch, and this one is in 32 millimeters. And with the design, it features an eggshell white dial and it has a rose gold mesh strap. And it also includes a St Mawes brown leather strap and a cute heart charm as well. And what I really like about their watches is that the straps are interchangeable, so it's great because it gives you that versatility if you want to have a different look. So they have lots of different designs and colors to choose from, so definitely recommend checking them out. And also using the code LiveUpGlam saves you 15% off when making any purchases on danielwellington.com. The next three tops, I picked them up either at Winners or Marshalls. So first is this chiffon shirt, and I love the color of this. And this is a high-low design, and it's very lightweight, so it's gonna be perfect for the spring. And then next is this floral print shirt, and I love the design of this, and this is a 3/4 length sleeve. And then with this next top, it has very fun sleeves, and it's just a really nice shade as well. And then next I picked up this scarf, and the thing about it is still cold over here, so I definitely need to layer up still. And with this design, well, not this design, with this material, it's extremely soft, and I was really happy to find this. And then the next two pieces I picked up at the Bay. So first is this chunky knit sweater, and I was looking for something in this shade for the longest while, so I was really happy to find this, and I think I was able to get this on sale for $30, which was a really great deal. And then next are these booties, and I like that the heel is chunky and it's not too high, so it just makes it very comfortable to wear, and it's a very nice shade as well. The last items are all from the thrift store, and not only do they have great prices to begin with, some of them were either 30% off or 50% off, so the prices were amazing. So first is this bikini set, and this was from Salvation Army, and my sister actually found this for me, and I was so happy that it fit very well. And I like that it's versatile because you can actually wear it on the black side, so I thought that was pretty cool. And this was brand new, and it was $4.99, which was a really great deal. And then next is this purse, and this purse was from Value Village, and it was 50% off. Originally it was $8.99, but this was $4.50, which was really great. And this originally is from Danier Leather, and their purses could be pretty expensive, so to get that for that price was such a great deal. And what I will be doing is wearing it with the strap that I have, so I can wear it in a crossbody style. And the only thing is that it does show a little bit of wear on the strap, so I will be cleaning that off, but otherwise it's in amazing condition. And then next is a jacket from Value Village, and this one was 30% off, I believe, because if you make a donation you're able to get a coupon, which is great as well because you could save a little bit more. And this is an amazing condition, and this jacket in store is about like $400, almost $500, so to get this for about like 12 or 13 something was such a great deal. I don't know if I mentioned, but it is a Wilford jacket, and I think it's in the cocoon style. And my sister actually was able to get the same jacket as well, but just in a different shade and a different size, and she got it for a great deal. Plus she got another Wilford jacket from there as well, so you definitely want to check out the thrift store for designer pieces. And next I got this wallet from Plato's Closet, so it's Kate Spade, and this was $30, which was a great price because it's in good condition as well. This was very gently used. Inside has a nice striped design, and this is very spacious as well. That's how it looks, so I was really happy to get this. And my sister actually was able to get these two wallets at Value Village. This one, I believe she paid like $1 something for it, and this one was under $5, so those were amazing deals as well. So that's it for my video today, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.